Okay, Google.
Hi, I'm Gemini. We're about to go live, where you can explore complex topics.
First, open App Store. Search here Google Gemini. Install and open Google Gemini. Allow this app if need. Then search an app from your phone already built in your phone. Name is shortcut. Search shortcut and open. Then search here Talk Live with Gemini. Open this. After one time open, then go back again to shortcut. Tap and hold on Talk Live. Then create new shortcut. If this not work, close and open shortcut again. Close this shortcut, then open shortcut again. Search again Talk Live with Gemini, then tap and hold on Gemini, new shortcut. Here, then done. As you can see, shortcut created successfully. So go back to home screen, open phone settings. Here scroll down, go into accessibility. Here scroll down, open voice control, turn on voice control, then go to commands, create new command. Here touch on voice Mac and say OK Google, or you can write, then save the, then tap on action. Here run shortcut, select Talk Live with Gemini, then save this. So Google Gemini is ready for voice command. Let's test it. Okay, Google.
Hi, I'm Gemini. We're about to go live, where you can explore complex topics.
What's the time is?
Current time is Tuesday, December 16, 2025 at 3:15:06 p.m. PKT.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?